Hello everyone, welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Docs for team collaboration. Google Docs is like a Microsoft Office Word, but it is used online and offline. To start, we'll open a document. This document is a grammar check document. So if you can see, there is a statement here that needs to be corrected. Some have typo errors and some have grammatical errors. To start collaborating, so we will click Share. Then we will add the people we want to collaborate with. We need to make sure that we have given them the editor access so that they can edit and collaborate on the document. Then before sending, we can include messages to notify the people involved in the project. And send. Now, once they are online, they can see the message and can start collaborating with us. So as you can see, now the people with access now is 3. Also, you can also mention them on the document by clicking at and including their emails. And that's how you use Google Docs for collaboration. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.